So today, Hi Cykanikers! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, please be a part of this family by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so that you will be notified on my upcoming videos. So today we're going to have a haul video! Yay! Haul video! Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-haul video. So today I'll be sharing to you the things that I got recently sa mga nagbigay. Thank you so much! So first we're going to start with a skincare. Not skincare, but I'm just going to show to you. My auntie gave this to me and I haven't asked her yet if para saan to. Nakalagay lang summer feelings. Auntie Catherine, if you're watching my video, please tell me if what is this for? Or Ate Cora or Auntie Marivic? I don't know. Is this a body wash or a facial wash or hand wash? Kasi in German siya. But anyway, thank you so much for this, mga tia ko. Next is what I got from Aveeno. These are all samples, by the way. So these are daily moisture lotion. Ang ingay ng chicken. So these are daily moisture lotion. So I have two, and then skin relief moisturizing lotion. Next, I have again this St. Ives. I really love this one, so that's why meron naman ako ulit. St. Ives Renew and Purify. It's a sea salt and Pacific kelp exfoliating body wash. So Watson again, bumili ako na Maybelline Fit Me. Sorry if yung hands ko super dirty. Maybelline Fit Me under the shade of 128. I really love this foundation, even though it's a little bit wider on my skin, but I love this one. I'm using it right now. Nag-haul ako since naka-makeup yung lola yung mga best. So, sayang naman if hindi mag-film, diba? Next is I have this Avene Vericom AD. It is a lipid replenishing cleansing oil. I haven't tried this one. I already searched this online, but I think it's a cleansing oil. I don't know how to use it yet, but if you know, please comment down below if you know how to use this one. Can this be a makeup remover or what? Please leave your comments down below, okay? Next is this Cetaphil. So I really love Cetaphil. They are very gentle on your skin, and I've been using this for my kids and I'm very, very happy. By the way, thank you so much Cetaphil, and thank you so much Philippine Dermatological Society. So I have two. This is good for your kids, for you as well. For those who are suffering for a very sensitive skin, it's very good for you. And this one, a Bench Refreshing Oil Control Powder. I've seen on some videos that they're using the yellow one for setting. I'm going to try it. Last but not the least, from Lazada. Addict sa Lazada. So from Lazada, I'm going to insert the picture here. So I bought a C mount. So meron siyang ganito. I use this for my vlogging setup. Are you interested in my vlogging setup? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a separate video for you. Okay? Actually, this is the C mount. Ganito siya. The other edge, this is for microphones. You can attach it here. It's very useful. You can attach it into your camera. And if you have a flip-up screen, tamang-tama lang siya sa merong flip-up screen. Tapos dito, yung camera. Tapos ito, sa microphone. If you want, I'm going to make another video for you for my vlogging setup, excluding this one, because I'm not really using this one. Just this one, and so that's it. I forgot how much is this, but I'm going to place the price here, or maybe on the description box. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for watching my mini haul. So bye-bye for now. See you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.